Today I'm going to make the mirror for our vanity set, and I'm going to start by cleaning it just with a cloth and a little bit of soapy water on it. And now I will tape off the mirror with painting tape. And this is nice because it removes easily and it will protect the mirror surface as we paint it. So I'll just use the X-Acto knife to make sure I get a nice close edge all the way around the mirror so that the frame is exposed but the mirror surface is protected. And as I'm doing this, I'm noticing that I don't have quite the tight corners that I was hoping. So once I get this off, I will come back and I'll just put a couple of pieces of tape down just for the corners. So let me do that here. And I'll just get these in here and sand it with a sanding sponge. It's all around here. And now I'll wipe it off with a cloth. I'm going to spray paint. I'm going to do a couple of coats. Each coat, I'm going to let it dry completely in between. And now I'm going to paint some detail on the inner edge. And I love using these pens. They're acrylic paint pens and they're dual-sided. So there is the side I'm using now, which is kind of stiff and allows me to get just the shape I want. And then the other side is a brush tip, which I'm going to use in a minute and really helps fill in. So I like using both. And I'm just going to fill in all the way around. And as I'm doing this, I'm seeing my design is not quite as precise as I want it to be. So I'll probably come back in with the white pen after, just to give the detail a little sharpness, a little contrast sharpness. But I'm going to do this all the way around. And I'm doing this so that it will coordinate with that fabric I chose to cover the chair seats. So here's my white pen, and mixed with the red, it makes this nice light pink, which is the color of the spray paint that I used. Okay, now I'll remove this painter's tape, and it looks like a little bit of the paint got through, but I think we'll be able to easily clean that up with just a wet sponge. Let me see. Oh yes, it's coming up nicely. So the mirror will be nice and clean. There we go. There. Love it. What do you think?